a grade 2 student of English Language School. Today I will be showing you a simple demonstration on static electric charge. It is a kind of energy that we have in our body. The materials are a plastic bag, a pair of scissors, and an inflated balloon. First step is to cut a thin piece of the plastic bag about 2 centimeters to make a ring. Second step is to inflate the balloon. Now you rub it on your hair until the hair starts to stand up. Do the same with the plastic ring. Now watch how the two react. You can see that they both repel each other. How? That is because of the static electric charge. By rubbing the balloon on your hair, it picks up some static electric charge. By rubbing the plastic on the same hair, you are giving it the same charge, which means these two objects repel each other. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. Bye.